Why build a personal automation system?
A personal automation system can save you time, reduce errors, and bring order to your daily routine. By automating repetitive tasks, you free up mental space for more important work. Whether for work, study, or personal life, automation makes tasks smoother, helps you stay organized, and boosts your productivity. In this guide, we'll explore the essential tools, tips, and templates to create your own system.
Choosing the right automation tools.
Selecting the right tools is key to successful automation. Popular options include IFTTT for connecting different apps, Zapier for workflow automation, and built-in features in operating systems like Apple Shortcuts or Microsoft Power Automate. Consider what devices and platforms you use most, and pick tools that integrate smoothly with your daily apps and tasks for the best results.
Identifying tasks to automate.
Now start by listing repetitive, low-value, or time-consuming tasks. Good candidates for automation include scheduling meetings, organizing files, responding to routine emails, or tracking daily habits. Observe your workflows for a few days and note where the same actions are repeated. These are perfect opportunities to streamline with automation routines.
Setting up your first automated workflow.
Begin with a simple workflow to see automation in action. For example, create a rule that automatically saves email attachments to a cloud folder, or a shortcut that sends daily reminders. Use templates offered within automation tools as starting points. Test your setup carefully to ensure it works as intended, adjusting steps as needed for your specific needs.
Tips for maintaining and improving your system.
Review your automations regularly to ensure everything runs smoothly. Keep track of what's working and what isn't, and look for new tasks that could benefit from automation. Update software and permissions as needed, and don't hesitate to modify or remove outdated workflows. Continuous improvement keeps your system effective, flexible, and aligned with your changing goals.